Welcome back. The union budget session will start from July 7 and will go on till August 14. Railway budget will be tabled on 8 July and general budget will be presented on 10 July. The economic survey will be presented on 9 July. This will be the first budget of the newly formed Narendra Modi-led government. Meanwhile, sugar prices are likely to shoot up as the government has raised import duty on sugar to 40%.
A meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs headed by Home Minister Rajnath Singh was held on Monday and the dates were finalized. The first budget session will start from July 7th and will go until August 14th. The annual railway budget will be tabled on July 8th. The union budget will be presented on July 10th. The economic survey will be tabled on July 9th. The vote on account budget approved by the previous parliament ends on July 31st and a new budget has to be in place before that date. Meanwhile, sugar prices are likely to shoot up as the Modi government has increased the import duty on sugar from 15 to 40%. The wholesale price of sugar is likely to go up by rupees 2 to 3 per kg. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has ruled out reports of receiving any communication from Switzerland about black money suspected to be stocked in Swiss banks. However, he informed that Indian government will write to Swiss authorities so that the detailed information can be expedited. There were reports that Swiss government had listed total of 283 bank accounts worth 14,000 crores in Switzerland.
The Ministry of Finance has officially not received any communication as yet. We are today writing ourselves to the Swiss authorities with whom the ministry has been in touch so that details with regard to whatever information the authorities have can be expedited.
There were reports that Swiss government had listed total of 283 bank accounts worth 14,000 crore in Switzerland. However, Swiss government has denied this report. The Modi government has set up a special investigating team with 11 members to help identify Indians who have placed undeclared and untaxed income in Switzerland. The team is headed by Justice M.B. Shah, a former Supreme Court judge. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The High Court has dismissed a petition filed by former chairman of Goa Public Service Commission Prakash Desai challenging show cause notice issued by State Vigilance Department. Vigilance Department had issued him a show cause notice for his alleged role in a recruitment scam during his tenure as chairman of GPSC.
The High Court on Monday dismissed a petition filed by former chairman of GPSC Prakash Desai challenging investigating process initiated against him by the State Vigilance Department. In April this year, Vigilance Department had issued a show cause notice to Prakash Desai for his alleged role in recruitment scam during his tenure as chairman of GPSC. Vigilance Department is probing the case of illegal appointments of junior scale employees in Sales Tax Department. Present BJP government has cancelled the appointments of 45 appointees. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.